Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef J Cooks.
Today I'll be making Tofu Katsu Sandwich. It's a delicious and filling sandwich with crispy tofu cuts and fresh cabbage. Press the tofu to remove excess moisture. Then slice it into even pieces. Finally, shred the cabbage. Set up 3 bowls with flour, beating egg, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat each tofu slice in flour, dip in egg, then coat with breadcrumbs. Pressing gently to ensure the breadcrumbs stick. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Fry the breaded tofu slices until golden brown and crispy on all sides. Transfer them to a wire rack or paper towel to drain any excess oil. Lightly toast the bread slices. Spread mustard on one slice of toasted bread. Add shredded cabbage, spread mayonnaise, and place the tofu cuts on top. Drizzle with tuna sauce and cover with the second slice of bread. Slice the sandwich in half and enjoy. At the end of this 14-day series, all recipes with links to the videos will be packaged in a downloadable PDF. Stay tuned for details on how to get it. Unopened tofu lasts until the expiration date on the package. Tofu in cardboard boxes typically lasts 1 to 6 months. Water-packed tofu in plastic tubs lasts 3 to 10 days. Once opened, store tofu in the fridge and use it within 2 to 3 days. To keep it fresh, place it in an airtight container, submerge it in fresh water, and change the water daily.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.